Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all guys are safe and maintaining social distancing. Over the years, you all are watching YouTube videos and some way somehow there is a click in your mind that should I start my YouTube channel? You have so many questions arises in your mind that why, who, for whom, when it will be processed, how my likes will go on, how people will like my video, did they do good comment, did they do bad comment. So these are the things which arises. That is our topic today. That is, I am too late to start YouTube in 2020. Let's get deeper, let's get started. When it comes to YouTube, everybody has a question that why I'm creating this channel, for who I'll create this channel, and what I'll put in this content, and the main question when. And these questions will build up a big fear in your mind that everybody got frightened that should I do this? Why I do this? Who I do this? Like the same questions your inside is asking, and if somebody asks you that why you should start this channel, so my motive is that my family, I wish to have a good life for my family, and good life for the end of the life with the life of purpose I have. So that is my main motive, and give learning to the people, giving knowledge to the people. So that I want to do. For that's the way, that is the answer for my why, and that is reason. You have to build up a solid reason that why and what is the reason behind it that you are on YouTube. So everybody has a reason. So just take out a journal, put out in your mind, and let the thoughts begin that for what reason you are here on the YouTube. Coming to the next question, who? Who is basically your audience, for whom you are making the videos, who my channel is for. So that is the second question which comes around in everybody's mind. For audience, I say billions of people are coming all the way to the YouTube. You know the situations how going on in 2020, the worst scenario, but yes, best has to come. Everybody is turning on to the YouTube. So there are a lot of audience, those who are there for learning, for teaching, for cooking, and for so many things. People are coming to the YouTube over and overall. People are coming here for the studies, that they are knowing about the things, the formulas for the maths. They are knowing about the basic knowledge of physics, and they are getting the things done like crucial cookings, which you only get the dishes in the restaurants itself, that you are getting it on the. You have a lot of audience in your country and all over the world, because it's a global platform. YouTube has billions of viewers right the way right now. You have a very good potential viewers if you are turning to be a YouTuber in 2020. So don't worry about the audience, just start. Press the record button and shoot your first video and bang on for your audience. Daydreamers are daydreamers, they dream only, they don't achieve. So you have to dream and you have to take an action. So that is the most important thing which I need to tell you, that these kind of fears and questions, every work is concerned with these questions. When you just like that, if somebody is hitting the gym, if the fat guy is having lots of fat and hitting the gym, so he has a reason that he need to lose the fat, because everybody is bullying him. So that is the reason, and some way somehow that for who he will change. So first of all, that is about for myself and for those who are bullying him. So that is like, you have your answers within yourself. You just have to take out the potential that you should start and take the actions, cause action is that thing which gives you a motivation. When you start, you keep learning and you still learn, so that you can get the achievement, get the success. So you have to you have to press the start button at all. So that is the important key which I need to tell you, and that's the way I'm answering these questions. Let's turn it to the next question, which is what. So what is basically about your content. So content is just like, this is a very brief topic, but still I need to tell you that initially when you need to start, it can start with an introduction, it can start with anything which you have or about your passion that you do in everyday life. So when it turns to the content, there are lots of unserved niches which you can serve it out with for the people. Just like you have to search for the internet, you have a very good key that just type on with the Google and type out with the keyword search Google Trends, that what are the unserved niches, and there are a lot of tools which you can find out your niche, and you can create a lot of good content for your audience. So start a journal, take a journal, start writing, start searching about on your mobile phone, about on your laptop, about on your desktop, and you'll find the content. So that's how. But yes, if you still want that how to get the content and what to do with the content, so let me come up with an idea. I'll give you a next video about that. So just keep supporting, give it a like if you're liking the video, subscribe, and also comment with your email ID, as I have a very special gift for you till the end of the video. As you all know guys, COVID-19 is going on. So the best part I have learned out of this lockdown is we all grow when we enter the zone of unknown from our comfort zone. So we have to leave our comfort zone which our mind have taken up. Next, and the most important and my favorite one question, how means the process, how to set up a YouTube channel. I have just designed a PDF, especially all of you, those who are having problem to set up their channel, set up their YouTube channel, as they are new to this platform. So I have just made out a step-by-step PDF guide which you can download from the link in the description below. So you can check out and download the PDF file, and as soon as possible you can make out your YouTube channel. If you are having any kind of a trouble in signing or in any kind of a hassle which you are having in your YouTube channel setup, just mention your email ID in the comment below, and we'll reply you and will assist you with that, how to make out your YouTube channel. And also there would be a very good thing which we have turned up right now, and suddenly it clicks our mind, that those who are watching this video, those people who comment in this video for the first as they watch, their email IDs, we would be giving them their channel art free of cost, and that would be just for the limited time. The people, those who are watching this video, that would be free of cost. You need not to pay anything to make out your channel art with us. Our team will design a channel art for you. We all grow when we enter the zone of unknown from our comfort zone. So you have to just be out of your comfort zone and enter the unknown zone to keep learning, because this is the best time guys. I swear that everyone, each and every one of us can grow if we keep learning. Rather than of complaining, we start keep learning. As I learn, what all I have done till now is I have learned, and most of the part I do learn from YouTube, and I serve that to my family. If I'm making a dish, suppose if I'm doing anything, suppose that if I have started to lose weight, as I am a weight of 121 kgs of guys, so I am losing the weight, but yes, all the credit goes to YouTube. I'll just follow the YouTube so thoroughly that I learn from it. I keep learning, and I insist other people also to get learn from YouTube. So that's the way. YouTube is the best part of life, that I'll tell you clearly, and there is no hesitation to just commit that thing, because it is just like a routine part of my life. Since I wish to tell you that how I have overcome this, these are the questions which I have just answered with my insight, because this YouTube channel, the video which you are seeing, this is my first video, and YouTube I have started in 2011, but I have never posted a video just because of that fear that stuck in my mind, that how people should say, what people should say, how I look. And somebody had told us that mistakes are the steps for essential growth. So without making any mistake, you can take the growth. As say, People, those who are really successful, they don't run behind the success, they run behind excellence, and they just start. Because every daydreamer is not achieving his success, he's just transcending it. So don't transcend your dreams, just live it, guys. Be on YouTube and make yourself comfortable to the platform and get all what you want for your reason, for your audience, for yourself, for your family. So just give it up. Push the start button, record the video, and put it on YouTube. That's the best idea, and that is the key to success in 2020. And this is the answer of the question that yes, you are not late. I'm serious, you heard it right. You are not late on YouTube in 2020, because this is the best time which you can launch your channel. So what are you waiting? So simple as that. So start. Do like, do subscribe, press the bell icon if you want to see the first 2 videos of mine as I upload it, and do comment if you like it, if you don't like it, if you have anything in your mind which you wish to speak up, just put it in the comment. It will give me a better idea so that I can give you a better content next time. Signing off.